Welcome to South Goa Travel Series Episode 1. So guys, do subscribe to our channel Time Bond Traveler and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Hi guys, this is Prithviraj Patil and welcome to my channel Time Bond Traveler. So इस वक्त 6 बज गए हैं और अभी हमें कोल्हापुर में. So today we are going to explore Santrim waterfall which is in Goa and almost 221 kilometers from here. As you can see at my back, the boys are gearing up for the ride. So let's go.
It was a beautiful day out in the morning and a kickstart to our dream ride to explore South Goa and beautiful memories that were going to stay forever, which was all decided at last moment.
4 bullets, 1 ride, 1 destination, Palolem, South Goa.
So right now we are at Kagal and we are refueling the bikes.
So we filled around 800 rupees of petrol, which is almost 8.5 liters, which was sufficient to reach our destination, considering 35 kilometers of mileage per liter. Heading to South Goa from Kolhapur, we have 3 routes. First one is through Amboli Ghat section, the second one is through Konkan Kankavli, and the last one is Belgaum. But if you are going to South Goa, Belgaum is the nearest route.
So right now we are at Tawandi Ghat section, which is basically the end of Maharashtra state, and in just few minutes we'll enter Karnataka state.
Belgaum is a city in the state of Karnataka located in its northern part along Western Ghats. On 1st of November 2014, the city's name was changed from Belgaum to Belgavi by Karnataka government with a population of around 4.8 million, comprising of 1278 villages and one of the biggest districts of Karnataka. Belgaum is known for kunda, a sweet made from milk, a prerequisite for weddings.
So right now we are in Belgaum city, which is basically the district place in Karnataka state. Actually we are here to collect our friend which lives in Belgaum, and later in the video I will introduce all of them to you. Right now we don't have time, we have to reach Santrim waterfall. So let's go. So finally he is here. Finally the Karan is. So I will introduce you all to my friends from childhood. Actually they are making fun of me. So but still this is Mir Patil from Kolhapur. He is Mango, Shubham Patil. He is Adip. He is from basically he's from Iran, and actually he has migrated to India when he was in 5th standard. And he is Karan. So he is from Belgaum. He is brother of Rohan. Actually, Rohan and me was in same school, and he is from St. Xavier's. Smitish Mane. So say So say all of you say hi. All of you say hi to them.
After 55 kilometers of ride from Belgaum, we reached Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary Road. Riding through this Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary Road is next level experience because of narrow road and dense forest on both sides. Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area in Western Ghats in Khanapur town of Belgaum district near Jamboti village, which was declared as Wildlife Sanctuary in December 2011. This road is closed from evening 6 pm to 6 am in the morning as declared by state government due to forest area and animal threats. After 32 kilometers of ride from Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary, we reached Anmod Ghat section, which was named after village Anmod in Karnataka at Goa-Karnataka border. The Goa state can be reached by descending Anmod Ghat from Karnataka. Some of the oldest rocks in Indian subcontinent are found in Anmod.
So right now we are at the Anmod Ghat section, as you can see at my back, which is in between Goa and Karnataka state. Means at the upper side of Ghat it's Karnataka state and at the lower side of the Ghat it's Goa. So in few hours we'll reach Santram waterfall. तुम्ही सगळे थकलाय का आता?
नाश्ता दिला चालेल तुम्ही.
नाही, स्वतःच्या पैशानं करायचं सगळं.
शुभमने काय
शुभमनं काय तर आणले इथं खायला.
समथिंग टू इट टू एव्हरीवन.
मराठी
नो मराठी, मंगोलियन इंग्लिश.
मंगोलियन इंग्लिश. बरं, तुम्ही कोल्हापूरवरनं इथं तुमचा इथंपर्यंत येण्याचा अनुभव कसा होता? मला 2 शब्दात तुमचं स्पष्टीकरण देऊन तुम्ही सांगू शकता का?
आम्हाला काय इंटरेस्ट नाही. काय इंटरेस्ट नाही, बंद कर.
देणार, सगळ्यांना मिळणार. शुभमने एवढं कष्टानं सकाळी 5 वाजता हमारे चैनल पे यूट्यूब पे आना चाहते हो क्या? कभी भी. क्या नंबर है क्या आपका?
नंबर है मेरा नहीं है.
तो हम अभी हम
तो रामनगरी में कृष्णा करके बोलो, उधर है.
आप भी कभी कोल्हापुर में आए ना, पृथ्वीराज पाटिल नाम
नंबर तारीख देने का.
नंबर देने का मैं लगेच कट करता फिर फोन.
नंबर
फिर
दिया तो मैं बात कर सकता नहीं तुम्हारे साथ.
बरोबर है, बरोबर है. कहाँ से क्या?
पानोली बीच जाओ.
हमें पोलुलम जाना है. पोलुलम
बोला तो इधर से बहुत पोलुलम लंबा पड़ता है. अरे बाबा,
कितना किलोमीटर पड़ता है?
पणजी जाना का.
इधर से कितना किलोमीटर पड़ता है?
इधर से 70 पड़ता है.
और रंकाड़ा
बड़ा रंग मेरे उतना जिम.
रंकाड़ा बीच मालूम नहीं क्या?
नहीं, बाकी का बीच बोल, अंजुना बीच बोल, नीला बीच बोल, कौन बीच बोल.
रंकाड़ा नहीं.
अब गोकर्ण उधर है ना, कारवार के पास.
नहीं. और राजाराम तालाब.
राजाराम तालाब इधर ही है ना.
सुना है ना, बहुत अच्छा है ये.
वो इधर कोंडा में पड़ता है वो बाबा.
वो राजाराम तालाब क्या?
वो पुणे में करता है, वो गणेशगिरी मार्शल है ना।
और जयंती का भी एक कुछ तो है इधर.
एक माल हाँ नाला का राजारामपुरी के
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू.
इतना बात किया
ये बहुत बड़ा आदमी है।
भाई, हम दुश्मन तो नहीं ना,
वही बता रहे
बात किया है।
हमें सब मिलके इंडिया को आगे लेके जाना है, ऐसे हमारे आज्जा बोलते थे.
भाई और एक बात बोलता है,
हाँ.
अच्छा मंदिर म्हणता है नहीं,
हाँ.
मारदोल मंगेश अच्छा जाओ, उधर जाके भगवान को अच्छा से करो और अच्छा रहो बस।
भगवान इधर होता है, मंदिर में नहीं.
मेरा वो क्या बीच में करा तो क्या नहीं।
इसकी तो पहले से ही शादी हो चुकी है.
मेरा शादी हो के कितना साल हो गया, मेरा 40 वर्ष का है।
हाँ.
अभी मेरे को तू बताता है तो मैं क्या बोलने का तेरे को।
मैं इसको बोल रहा
2 बच्चा मेरा, 3 बच्चा है, अभी भी मेरा 11 महीने का बच्चा हो गया, अभी अगले महीना आया नहीं, 22 तारीख 1 साल का लड़का हो गया।
So right now we are in Molem, which is in Goa state. Means actually it's the border of Karnataka and Goa state. थांब तात्या नाही. So we'll reach our location in half an hour. So let's go.
After 65 kilometers of beautiful ride through unmowed Ghat section, we reached Madgaon city. Madgaon is the commercial capital of Goa, also known as Margao in Portuguese. It stands on the banks of Sal River. It is Goa's second largest city by population after Vasco.
So right now we are in Madgaon, Goa. We are going to Pallulam Beach, which is the end of Goa, South Goa. And so let's go. So right now we are at Karwar Madgaon road. We are about to reach Pollulam. The road you are seeing at my back is the road to Pollulam. The 15 kilometers from here we enter again into Karnataka state. So the boys are tired of traveling. I would like to give a clap to boys because they are riding the bike since morning. And you can see the faces of boys. They are just tired here.
Pallulam is known for Pallulam Beach, situated near Kankona city in South Goa. The beach attracts many tourists mainly during the winter season between November and March.
So finally we are here at Polalam Beach.
A few moments later.
Today we are going to stay at a Holiday Inn, Orange Sky Hotel, which is very good hotel at Polalam Beach, and a good stay. So we are going to stay here today. This is the room. So we are going to stay here for 2 days and visit the all the spots and tourist attractions near the Polalam beach. So a good room. You can, if you visit Polalam, you can come here. And the beach is 5 minutes from here at walking distance. So we are tired, so we are getting ready, and after that we are going to visit the beach, which is very beautiful and pleasant beach, the Polalam beach. So till then, bye bye.